Hello, everybody. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is Tracy, and I'm outside. It's a beautiful day today, but the sun will be going down soon, and I haven't been able to get out here to do a few things that I want to do out in my garden. Um, I'm a newbie. You all know that. And so, what I wanted to call this Tracy's Garden Touch, maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to touch some things and see if I get to eat some things later in the season. But what I wanted to show you is this stuff that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Now, y'all say don't get the soil from the Dollar Tree. No, I don't buy the soil from the Dollar Tree. But this natural and organic expanding soil alternative, it will produce up to 3 quarts. And all you do is add water. It expands in minutes, ready to use for planting. This is real interesting, I'm going to tell you. Really interesting. And it's $1.25. Expands 10 times its size. Compact and lightweight, excellent for soil alternative, easy to use, 100% renewable and biodegradable. Okay, Dollar Tree, come through, come through. Let me show you. I've already done one. I don't want to do this one because it produced more than what I thought. Well, they said 3 quarts. So let me show you. I'm going to put this camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I got this, from the Dollar Tree, and I used my hot glue gun and put some holes in the bottom. And look at this. This is just a piece of it, like maybe a quarter of it, maybe a third. And so see how it expanded? I just put some water on there. I probably could have put more. It would have expanded more. But this is what we have. So it crumbles really good. I'm just going to put this in here, crumble it up, and then I'll mix my other soil with it. So this helps as a filler, in my opinion, for $1.25. Well, not even for this much. And so I'm going to add my other dirt to this. And I have some, what is this? Peat hummus? What I got from Lowe's. This box is heavy. Hold on. Okay. Am I in the camera so y'all can see? So I'm just going to fill it up with the rest of this dirt and then mix it up. I need a bigger shovel. Yeah, I gotta get something bigger. Just working my nerves. Hold on 1 second. Let me use this from the Dollar Tree as well. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up some. Turn the soil. Sifting some soil, right? Hands in the dirt and all that good stuff. Mona and Stacy. Yeah, my gardening buddies. I love the gardening community. They are so nice and so kind. And they're teaching us a lot. Us that are wet behind the ears and just starting this adventure. And it's so peaceful and so interesting to learn. And exciting to see things grow. Okay. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. So what am I going to put in this? I think I will start my... Should I start my morning glories in here? I think that's what I want to do. So, let me get out my packet of seeds and find my morning glories. Which ones? They're so pretty. I'm going to do the blue ones in here. Purplish blue, whatever color they are. I don't know. I bet you these seeds are tiny. And this is just going to be my starter. I'm sure I'm going to put these in the ground somewhere once they get big. Because I believe these vine. I believe I have to put a trellis and let them attach to the trellis. So let's see. So this is what I'm going to plant. See how tiny they are. I don't want to drop my seeds out here outside. Oh, they are too big. Oh, they're not bad. Wow. Should I put them all in here? I think I am. I'll just space them. Put that one there. That one there. One kind of in the middle. I'm doing like 2 inches. 2 inches apart. It's probably not enough room, but we're gonna make it work until I transplant them. Up pot them, is that what you say? Upsoil, up pot them? I don't know. I don't know the terminology yet. I'm learning, but this is an old brain and things don't stick like they used to. One in the middle right there. One right here. See how many we get to germinate. Right there. I got 2 left, y'all. I got 2 left. Where am I gonna put these? I'll put one on this end and one right here. Okay, let me just cover up the holes. And I'm going to douse it with some more water. Let's spray it. I don't want to move my seeds. Let's just spray it real good. And I will probably cover this with some plastic to give it that greenhouse effect and let them do what they do until they germinate. Okay, that should be good. Set this aside. And I've already done another one. I just haven't sifted the soil. So let me mix this soil up. And I want to plant my sunflower seeds, but I think I'm gonna put those in individual cups because I know they're gonna get big so that I can take one out at a time and up pot it. So what am I going to put in here? This was a lot more of that. This was the other 3/4 of that alternative soil. So I broke a piece off about like that for that first pot, and this was the rest in here. Okay, what are we doing here? Let me see what I want to plant in here. Hold on 1 second. Look, y'all, these are my poblano peppers that I planted on April 22nd. I'm gonna open these up. I haven't touched them since. I put them in these water bottles that I cut open and just put back together and taped them. They've been outside all this time and I haven't done anything to them. And look what we got. Look at there, look at there. Okay. So how do you do this? Gotta break this soil up and get these out so I can separate them. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, they're in that, what do you call that thing? Peat pot? That's where they are. Okay, so you break that up. You break up the peat pot. Let me just tear that covering off. Yeah, I don't have my gloves on. It's okay, I washed my hands. Okay, now let me break this up. So I can see the roots? See the roots? See if I can break this up. And I don't really know how many to put in here. I don't know how big they're gonna get, or I guess I should get the package out and read it, right? Because I don't have anybody on here to help me because I'm not doing a live. I don't want to break the roots. Okay. They're coming. So this is 4. 4 that came up. Let me see. Come on. Maybe I'll just put 4 in here. How about that? Let's see how they do. Gracious goodness, I don't want to disturb the roots too much. Okay. So dig a little hole. Put that one right there. How many can I put in here? Doggone it. Where's my package? Probably thrown away. Oh well. I should have did my research before I came on camera. All right, here's number 2. Let's hold on. This is what we're gonna do. Let me take this one up. Sorry. I'm gonna come over here a little bit. Put it right there. There we go. Then I can let me put one on this end. One right there. Pack that soil around it. Okay. We got two more. Separate those. And one right here. So they're like 4 inches apart. We'll see. And then put one right here. Okay? How about that? There we go. Now what? Some more water on them. And do I put plastic on this or do I just let them do what they do? I think the plastic is just for germinating. They should be good. All right, that one's done. And I forgot to put my holes. I'm gonna put some holes on the side here and take some paracord and hang these on my fence with my garlic. That and the sunflower, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to hang it low on my fence. One more thing, what else did I want to do while I'm out here? So, let me move some things and stuff. Get this dirt off. This is my work table, can y'all tell? Ooh-wee. So, y'all remember, when did I do this? On the 21st, May 21st. This is my watermelon and green beans. So it's been outside, and it's the seeds. But I wanted to stick these chopsticks, which I seem to be a little taller, like in each corner to raise this plastic, because the plastic is caving in. So I want to see, let me see if I can do this. I don't know. I want to see if I can raise this plastic some. Like that, maybe. And then put one on the other side to raise that plastic up higher so the plastic doesn't sink in on the dirt. I think that's a little better. But will it stay though? That's the question. Let's see. I don't want to poke it through. Just do it like that. Pack that dirt down. You come back over here. Do it like this. Pack that dirt down. Then I'm going to put one in the middle as well so that it stands up higher. Push that up against there. And put one on each of these corners. As such, I think. The little popsicle sticks weren't tall enough. Okay, let's put one in this corner, right here. Maybe that'll work better. So I'm gonna get some tape and tape this back together. Maybe I can tape each stick onto plastic, and that'll help them to stand up. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then tape this back together and set it back where it belongs. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is I bought an aloe vera plant. Isn't she lovely? This was $4.99 at Walmart. Yes. So I want to take it out of this thing because I know it's packed up in there and put it in a bigger pot. Hush your mouth. Let me find the pot I'm going to put that in. Oh, where? I need a big pot for that, right? Because it's going to get big. So I'm going to put it in my decorative pot. And I've got a lot of rocks down here for the drainage. This doesn't have a hole in this pot. It has a bunch of rocks. Ain't that the cutest? That's my granddaughter's. So let me stir this up. This has been outside. Let me just stir this soil up. It's a little hard. It's been out here for a little while. And then put some more dirt in here. big old cup from the Dollar Tree helps with your soil to get a big amount. I'm telling you, I'm learning as I grow. Okay, now let's get this out. I have some more poblano peppers too, but I gotta wait to plant those. I gotta find something else to put them in. I gotta find something to put all those seedlings in that have begun to germinate. Oh yeah, look at the roots on there. It definitely needed another pot. And don't throw your little ones away. Do not throw those away. Okay. I don't know what this stuff is. It looked like that stuff from the Dollar Tree. Is that in there deep enough? I don't think so. Let me dig a little deeper. Put that down in there. Okay. Pack this soil up around here, and I'm going to add some more soil. I started to do a live, but I didn't have time to set everything up. The cameras and all that stuff. All I did was set this one camera up. And, go on StreamYard or not Facebook, YouTube. I didn't feel like it this time. Is that enough? It'll probably settle, I'm sure. So I can always add more later. All right, let me press it down a little bit. And voila. Look at there. I'm just gonna spray it real good. Now this one, well, it doesn't need any water, I don't think, because it's aloe. If I just mist it real good, if I mist the soil real good, I'll come back at it and check it. You don't overwater your succulents. That I do know. Okay. Oh, this wasn't even recording? Oh, that's too funny. Hold on. Hold on. I am done for the day because it's getting chilly out here. I've already put on a jacket. The sun is about to go down. I'll do more tomorrow, but thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Peace and love, all that good stuff. Let me just show you my little accomplishments out here, and then I'm out. Be blessed. So here are my morning glories. I'm going to put a couple holes in here and hang it on the fence. And here are my poblano peppers. There's that pretty aloe vera, and this is what I did with that. I taped the sticks on the inside as to where it would stand up more to give it more room. Thank you. That is all. Peace and love. Happy gardening.